and a perfect attendance award.
Perfect attendance award. Abby D. Alamo with honors. Mateo Joem R. Longos, perfect attendance awardee with honors.
Sinong talaga yung laman ng video ko?
Mateo R. Longos with honors and a perfect attendance awardee. Ria I. Pascual with high honors. She is also best in Mother Tongue Filipino, Araling Panlipunan, Health and Edukasyon sa Pagpapakatao. Elvina Rao with high honors. She is also best in English, Mathematics, Science, Music, Arts, and Physical Education. Once again, congratulations, Grade 2 Diamond. Give